Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, just right click here and select run. Then here we will type reg edit, then click on OK, select as. It will open registry editor window. Now here we need to expand HK local machine, so just expand this. After that, click on system, just expand it, then expand control set 001, then expand services folder. Now we need to find out NDU folder, so here it is. Just select it, and on the right side right click on start, select modify and change the value data as 4. Now click on OK. Once done, just go back to HK local machine. So again, just expand it, then go to system folder, control set 001 folder, then expand control folder. Now we need to find out session manager, so here it is. Just expand it, then go for memory management, expand it. You can just select it, and on the right side clear page file at shutdown, so simply right click on it, select modify, and we need to change the value data as 1. Now click on OK. Once done, we need to close this window. Now this time press Windows key plus R key together to open run, and type here temp, click on OK. Once we are here, we need to simply select all these files, right click on them and select delete. Once done, close this window, again open run. You can just right click here and select run, and now type here %temp% and click on OK. So select all these files, right click on them and select delete. So delete some files and we need to skip other files, so simply close this window, then just go to open settings, now select apps on the right side, and on the left side we need to just scroll down and search for startup. So on this window we need to just turn off these apps, for example Microsoft Edge, Cortana, Microsoft OneDrive, Teams, terminals, updates, Windows and Xbox app services. You can just turn off these all options and then close this window. In the last step, simply open run and type here msconfig and click on OK. Now go to services tab and check this option, hide all Microsoft services. Then you will get the checked services here. Simply click on disable, then apply and then OK. Once done, we need to restart your system and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.